Hello, we're Plus Cut, a brand specialized in diamond-coated cutting tools. Have you ever hesitated, throwing away an expensive, diamond-coated tungsten carbide tool, after using it just once? That's why we created something better. A revolutionary solution. A tungsten carbide shrink-fit holder and a replaceable diamond-coated end mill, engineered for high-precision graphite, mold and CNC machining. The holder shank is heated, expanding the bore inside to allow insertion of the replaceable end mill. As it cools down, the bore contracts tightly around the tool, ensuring outstanding precision and rigidity. By replacing only the insertable end mill, there's no need to discard the entire tool, maximizing efficiency and reducing waste. While maintaining performance, a significant reduction in tungsten carbide raw material usage can reduce tool costs by up to 50%. Exceptional surface smoothness and micron-level precision delivered consistently. Designed by a master with over 25 years of experience in graphite machining. Tested, proven, and trusted on real production floors. This isn't a prototype, it's a field-proven solution, already in use by over 50 leading graphite machining companies. With a plus or minus 5 micron precision tolerance, and tool life extended by up to 1.5 times, Plus Cut delivers what others can't. Proudly developed with 100% Korean technology, Plus Cut is redefining productivity. Reduce your tooling costs, increase your output, get the best of both worlds, with Plus Cut. Have questions or want to order? Send us an email at we'll get back to you right away. Thank you.